In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a newsletter sign-up to your Wix website. First, let's start with opening your website through the Wix editor. If you have your website already open, that's great. If not, take a moment to pull it up. After your site is opened up in the editor, you should see a variety of tools on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, there should be a button labeled Add Elements. When you locate this, go ahead and give it a click. This nifty tool opens up a menu full of options allowing you to enhance the functionality and design of your website. Next, once the menu is fully visible on your screen, you'll see several categories. You need to find the category labeled Contact and Forms. This section contains tools to help you engage with your website's visitors in a myriad of ways. After successfully finding this, go ahead and click on it. Now let's narrow down our search even more. Once you have selected the Contact and Forms category, another range of narrower options will appear on your screen. We are looking specifically for the option called Subscribe. So scan through, and once you find it, select it by clicking. At this point, you've been doing a great job, and we're halfway through our process. Your screen will now display a series of pre-made templates for sign-up forms. Each one has a different look and feel, so take your time to go through them. Choose a sign-up form that resonates best with your website's overall style and aesthetic. After you've selected the most appealing design, it's time to place it on your website. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping the form where you'd like it to appear. It can be at the bottom of your web page, on the side, or wherever you feel it might draw the most eyes and clicks. Last but certainly not least, it's time to customize our sign-up form. If you want to add a more personal touch, or you want the form to blend in more seamlessly with the rest of your website, double-click on the form. This will open up a Settings tab where you can change text, adjust form styles, or even set up automated responses. So feel free to get creative and ensure your new sign-up form perfectly complements your website. And there you have it. You now know how to add a newsletter sign-up to your Wix website. This simple process lets you easily engage with your website's visitors. Well done, and happy building!